Getting started with Look to Speak. This is the app which I am going to tell you about, made by the Google. It's helping accessibility user communication. Share to those who can't speak or lost their voice. It is very helpful app for those who can't speak or lost their voice. They can use their eyeball to speak someone by using this app Look to Speak. Google Look to Speak allow user to talk through their eyes. Google said this app is available for devices running on Android 9 and above. Google has announced a new accessibility service called Look to Speak, which would let users communicate with their other via their phone without handling it. अगर आपके पास Android 9 से और इसके ऊपर का फ़ोन है तो आप इस ऐप को यूज़ कर सकते हैं और वो लोग भी बोल सकते हैं जिनकी आवाज़ खो गई है या है ही नहीं. This happened by operating the device through eye movements and decide on preset phrases, speak them out loud. Interested users should install its app to get started. ऐसे लोग जो इसमें इंटरेस्टेड हैं वो इनको इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. Move your eyes ball to define your words under its experiment with Google. Google has shown up with a new accessibility tool called Look to Speak. As name it would let the user make his phone speak on his behalf through eyeball movement. उन्होंने ऐसा ऐप बनाया है फोन में जिसमें कि आईबॉल मूवमेंट से आप कोई भी बोल सकता है. To start with, user should install the app from Play Store and set up their desired phrase. अब इसके लिए आपको करना क्या पड़ेगा कि आप प्ले स्टोर से इसको इंस्टॉल करके और अपने कुछ फ्रेजेस को सेटअप कर दीजिए. If not, they can go with the basic preset phrases in the app. अब पहले से भी कुछ प्रीसेट फ्रेजेस हैं उनको यूज कर सकते हैं. You will be asked to add your phrase while initializing और उसके बाद आपसे वो पूछेगा कि आपका फ्रेज कैसे इनिशियलाइज करें उस ऐप में. Where you can practice selecting the option through the movement of your eyeball. और वहाँ पे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं कि कैसे हम eyeball मूवमेंट से बोलें. So it is very enterprising and innovative app. People who cannot speak must use this. After setup, you will be shown the home page with all the available options to go with. This screen is then divided into 3 parts. When you set up this, then it will divide into 3 parts: right, left and top. With the phrases on the right and left, the top section is meant for the snoozing process. अब उसमें क्या करते हैं, लेफ्ट और राइट आई बॉल जब आप करिएगा तो वो कुछ फ्रेजेस को सेलेक्ट करेगा और अगर गलती हो जाती है तो आप स्नूजिंग करके उसको खत्म कर सकते हैं. मूवमेंट ऑफ आई सेलेक्ट pre-made phrases to speak by using eyeball left or right और snooze. मतलब झपकी लेंगे आप जब तो क्या होगा, वो गलती खत्म कर देगा और स्क्रीन रिफ्रेश हो जाएगी. And since the phrases are divided into right and left, you should move your eyeball to the side where your desired phrase is available. Continue doing this until you filter out all the unwanted phrases and get the one you actually wanted. Once selected at the last, it will be spoken out loudly by the device. जब आप लास्ट वाले को जिसको सेलेक्ट करिएगा वो डिवाइस उसको बोलेगा, लेकिन आपको उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी कैसे सेलेक्ट करें. If you have a mistaken anywhere in between, you can look up to snooze the process and start afresh. अब आप झपकी ले लेंगे तो वो फिर से शुरू करेगा. This will appear once after you are done choosing and speaking up to. This is good and useful for those light in a wheelchair and can make little effort to convey their thoughts. जो लोग व्हील चेयर पे बोल नहीं सकते हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है, वो अपनी बातों को आपको कन्वे कर सकते हैं. A Sarah who is on wheelchair can speak loudly, then why you are not? Those who cannot speak can use this device. He is doing every work by using this device. Google said this app is available for devices running on Android 9 and above. If you want to try on the web, here is how to do it. You go to the link where you will get all the information. I have given this link where you will get a video also how the Sarah is performing their work. And to try the app or help someone get set up, visit gcode/look to speak site where you will get all the information regarding to this app. And please help those who cannot speak and are on the wheelchair. If you like this information, then like and share as much as you can. It can help someone who needs this app. And if you think that I have given you a valuable information, then please like, share and subscribe to promote me. Thank you viewers. This is all today.